In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google and Great Notion support services to get organized and stay productive. Let's dive into a straightforward process that will guide you through setting up and customizing your Notion workspace to suit your needs. We'll begin by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, type in Notion. You'll find Notion as a prominent result. Go ahead and click on that link. You're taking the first step into an incredibly versatile digital workspace that helps with managing notes, tasks, projects, and more, all in one place. After you click on Notion, you'll be directed to their homepage. At this point, if you already have an account, click on Login at the top right corner. Logging into your account is crucial because it allows you to access all your projects and prior work. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register using your email, but for today, we'll assume you're logging in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your main workspace. Here, go ahead and look for the option that says Add New. This action will help you create a new workspace or document to start organizing your thoughts or project details. When you click on Add New, select Empty Page to create a fresh workspace where you can customize everything according to your requirements. The next step involves personalizing your new page. A good place to start is to add a title. Think of something that represents the content you'll be working on in this workspace. Giving your page a relevant title helps in easy navigation and retrieval later on. Now, let's make your page even more dynamic. On your keyboard, type a / followed by the letters CTRL to access Notion's range of column options. Notion's flexibility allows you to organize information into columns and sections, providing a clear structure to complex data. Choose from the variety of options to fit the format that best matches your task needs. Once your columns and sections are set up, start adding your data. Enter information across the fields provided, whether it's text, checklists, or embedded elements like images or videos. Organize your data in a way that makes sense and flows logically for you. That's the beauty of Notion. It adapts to how you work. Finally, to enhance organization within your page, you can add a new section by clicking below your current entries. To do this, type /div and hit Enter. This action will quickly insert a dividing line, helping to visually separate different content areas within your project. Following these steps will help you effectively set up and navigate your Notion workspace with ease. I hope this guide empowers you to make the most of Notion's capabilities for a more organized and productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!